Hello viewers, today I am going to explain you from 10th standard NCERT exercise 4.3 second question. So the question is find the roots of quadratic equations given in question number 1. So they given the quadratic equation in question number 1 above by applying quadratic formula. So you can see here I have NCERT textbook. So here is a question and you have to find the roots of these all quadratic equations. Here you are done by completing square method. Here you have to use quadratic formula. So let us start. So first of all you should know the quadratic formula. So here the quadratic formula is, here the variable is x. So x equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac whole divided upon 2a. So the required things is are what? X is, we have to find out x. So we should know b, a, c. So this b, a, c are what? Quotients here. So our a is what here? So before writing quadratic formula you can write what are the ABC, or later you can write a equals to 2 here, that is quotient of x square. A equals to 2. B is quotient of x, that is minus 7, and c is a constant, that is 3. So first we will find out this b square minus 4ac separately. So it will be easy to put the values in formula. So or else you can take like this and find out. So b is 7 minus 7 square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 3. So find out this square root. Minus 7 into 7 is 49. Then 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, minus 24. 49 minus 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2. So b square minus 4ac is square root of 25, that is 5. So you can solve like this and you can put here, otherwise here also you can do directly. So x equals to minus b is minus and b is minus 7. Plus or minus already I have done here. So it is 5, or you can solve here. Divide by 2 into a. A is what? 2. So x is equals to minus minus is plus, plus 7, plus or minus 5 whole divided by 4. So here once you have to take, because as it is quadratic equation, so you'll get what? 2 roots. Once 7 plus 5 divided by 4, and one more is 7 minus 5 divided by 4. So x is equals to 12 by 4. So x is 3 here. This is one of the root. Next, x equals to 7 minus 5 is 2 by 4. So x equals to 1 upon 2. So the two roots are 3 and half. Now we will solve second example, that is finding the roots of this quadratic equation by quadratic formula. So before writing the quadratic formula, you all know the formula, that is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So we should know a, b, c here to find out the value of x. So from this quadratic equation, write down what is a, that is 2, b is quotient of x, that is 1, c is a constant, that is minus 4. So separately you can find out this b square minus 4ac. This b square minus 4ac, that is called as what? Discriminant, you all know. And then you can put the value here. So b is 1, its square, minus 4 into a is 2, c is minus 4. 1 minus, sorry, minus will be plus here. You have to multiply these all things. So minus will be plus. 4 to the 8, 8 4s are 32. So what is this? 33. So you can put here now x equals to minus b is 1 plus or minus root b square minus 4 is 33 whole divided by 2 into a is 2. So x equals to minus plus is minus 1 plus or minus root 33 whole divided by 4. So further you will have two roots here as it is quadratic equation. So first one is x equals to minus 1 plus root 33 divided by 4, and second one you will get by x equals to minus 1 minus root 33 upon 4. So these two are the roots. So no need to find out these roots, root 33, because it is not perfect square number. So these two are the roots of given quadratic equation. Hello viewers, I hope you understood exercise 4.3 from 10th and NCERT. Second question in first and second I have already explained in my previous videos. Now we will see third question. So the main question is find the roots of quadratic equation given in question number 1. So these are the quadratic equation. You have to find out the roots above by applying quadratic formula. So first two I explained in previous video. So let us start with third one, that is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equals to 0. So here first of all you have to write here quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So to find out the x you should know b, a and c. So from this you can write a is a quotient of x square, that is 4, b is quotient of x, that is 4 into root 3, c is 3 here. So next you can find out this b square minus 4ac separately and then you can substitute here. So b square minus 4ac equals to b square, b is 4 into root 3 square minus 4 into a is 4 and c is 3. So 4 square is 16 and root 3 square is 3 only. So you can see here root 3 into root 3. 2 times you have to multiply to find out the square. So as I told you in earlier videos, so this will be half. Root means what? Power half, power half. So we will keep this 3 as it is and we will add those half powers. So that will be 1. So 3 raised to 1 is 3 only. Minus plus will be minus 4 for the 16. 16 3 is 48. Or you can do this as 3 4s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So 16 3 is 48 minus 48, that is 0. So x equals to minus b is 4 into root 3 and this plus or minus root 0 upon 2 into a. A is 4 here. X equals to minus plus is minus 4 root 3 plus minus and root of 0 is what? 0. If we add or subtract it is same only, divided by this is 2 into 4. So here 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So x equals to minus root 3 upon 2. So as it is quadratic equation it will have two roots and as it is it has got cancelled. So these two roots will be what? Always. These two are what? Same. Why? Because here discriminant is, it will show the nature of root. If it is greater than 0 you will get what? 2 distinct means 2 different roots. Here if it is equals to 0 you will get what? 2 equal roots. Remember, and as it is 0 so its square root will be also 0. So you will get what? 2 equal roots. So you will get again x equals to minus root 3 upon 2. And suppose this is less than 0 means what? If it is coming in negatives you will have two imaginary roots. So now we'll see the fourth example from exercise 4.2, 4.3, second question in that fourth. So we have to find out the roots by quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So first of all you have to write down what is a, that is 2, b is 1 quotient of x, c is 4. So here we can find out this b square minus 4ac first, and then we can put in this formula. So b is 1 its square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 4. 1 square is 1, minus plus is minus, 4 to the 8, 8 4 the 32. So what will remain? Minus 31 will remain. And as we know, this will indicate the nature of roots. So as this is b square minus 4 is less than 0, you will get two imaginary roots. So let us start. X equals to minus b is 1 plus or minus root minus 31 divided by 2 into a is 2. X equals to minus plus is minus plus or minus root minus 31. But we cannot find out the root of negative integers. 2 to the 4. So the roots will be always imaginary. Minus 1 plus root minus 31 upon 4. And one more root will be x equals to minus 1 minus root minus 31 divided by 4. If you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe my channel.